Several market-leading companies in the compressed air treatment business have come together under the SPX Flow umbrella. Our goal is to ensure that our brand names deliver system solutions, experience, competence and value to our partners and customers. SPX Flow Technology Moers was founded in 1977 as a US product distribution center. In 2000, SPX Flow Technology Moers expanded to become the European production and shipping location for our refrigeration, desiccant, hybrid and membrane dryers under the brand name of Hankison, Deltec and Delair. We also manufacture filters and condensate management systems in Moers. Customer satisfaction is driven by 70 highly talented people delivering high-value products and solutions through efficient processes and teamwork.
The increased demand for products and reduced market lead times is increasing the need to be faster and more efficient. Customer satisfaction is key. This is driving us to improve our performance in production and shipping.
We are transforming the way we run our business. Our Pathway to Excellence program is an enterprise-wide business transformation initiative. By challenging ourselves, putting the right resources in place, and implementing process excellence, we are making our factories highly effective and highly functioning facilities.
We are constantly making changes every day in the quest for improvement. Since starting on our Pathway to Excellence journey, we focused on operational excellence to become more efficient. We started by analyzing the factory performance, optimizing the production layout and most importantly, involving the employees to create a safer and more comfortable working environment.
Often, assumptions about how we work do not exactly mirror what's happening on the factory floor. After all, during the day-to-day grind, we don't think about how we do the work, we often just do it.
We started the relayout of the Moers production floor by collecting data to develop a travel chart. We used this data in accordance with our systematic layout planning tool to develop an optimal factory layout.
We relayed out the factory to optimize the operations. The relayout of the factory floor minimized the distance between all most frequently used operations and maximized the use of operators' time.
We reduced our overall travel distance between all operations from production, shipping and service, which allows us to be more efficient.
Process flow and layout are the heart of Pathway to Excellence manufacturing. To create a safe and clean environment, a seamless flow of people, material and information needed to be set up.
We were able to reduce our production's layout by 30% using a combination of data, spaghetti diagrams and people's knowledge.
We now have a safer and more efficient environment in which to work.
We made our daily lives more efficient by reducing the waste, such as travel time in our processes. Continuous improvement is now an integral part of our daily work.
There is now a very clear flow to our production process. We can identify issues earlier.
The 5S method is one element of Pathway to Excellence to initiative and promote continuous improvement. 5S method is a standardized process that creates and maintains an organized, safe, clean and efficient workplace.
We introduced to the team the principles of 5S: sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. This methodology makes each production operation more efficient.
By implementing sort and set in order, we have improved the speed of work by effective workplace organization.
We built a model cell using the 5S principles to demonstrate what does good look like. This provides a measurement yardstick for all other cells to copy.
My job is much easier now that we have a place for everything and everything in its place. Our daily audits make sure that we maintain our workplace to 5S standard.
Visual management is an absolutely essential tool within the world of Pathway to Excellence. Visual management uses instinctive visual cues to make succinct, accurate information within a workplace available at all times to those who need to know it. Visual management is the link between the data and the people.
Our visual management boards show our daily objectives, how we are doing against plan. They also show our metrics on safety, quality, on-time delivery and cost.
Visual management has given me a lot more satisfaction, since I know now what is expected of me, and I have a measurement dashboard that I can impact.
Visual management is an integral part of our Pathway to Excellence program. It provides clear direction to our operators and provides on-time feedback on how our processes are running.
The end lights highlight production issues as they arise. I now have the option to stop production when there is an issue that needs to be resolved.
Pathway to Excellence encourages and supports great teamwork.
Pathway to Excellence improves communication.
Pathway to Excellence results in positive change.
Pathway to Excellence drives safety improvements.
Pathway to Excellence supports innovation.
Pathway to Excellence helps us make improvements every day.
Pathway to Excellence is engagement and now our way of life.
Pathway to Excellence is a breath for fresh air.
Pathway to Excellence is work simplification.
Pathway to Excellence is SPX Flow.
Pathway to Excellence is our future.